Dear students, in this video tutorial, I will tell you how you can disable comments on YouTube videos. If you find this video helpful, please like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and be sure to press the bell icon. In the first step, open the Chrome browser. Second step, go to the youtube.com website. Third step, open your YouTube Creator Studio. In the fourth step, click on Content. Here, choose whether you want to disable comments on a video or on a short. I have opened one of my videos here. You can see it. A friend has commented here, and I want to disable it. So for that, I will go to my YouTube Creator Studio, click on Details here, and scroll down here. At the end, you will find an option. Let me show you from here. You can see comments and ratings here. Turn this off. Then click Save. Now I'll replay my video and show you. As you can see, comments have been disabled. I hope you got information from this video. If you did, like the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Also, be sure to press the bell icon and be sure to share this video with 3 friends.